9.2 complementary and supplementary angles. I can identify and evaluate complementary and supplementary angles.
Excellent job. Can you guys identify and evaluate complementary and supplementary angles?
Yes.
Just to be sure that you understand that this is the abbreviation, at least my abbreviation for complementary, comp, and this is my abbreviation for supplementary, sup, right?
Yes.
Sup with you. Okay, never mind. Complementary angles add up to what?
90.
Okay, I like the voice. I just want that a little quicker. Complementary angles total 90 degrees. I gave you an example of complementary angles below number 1. Supplementary angles add up to what?
180.
I like that, much better. Now, to be clear, supplementary angles have to have at least, complementary and supplementary angles have to have at least 2 angles, right?
Yes.
Okay, but can they have more than 2 angles?
Yes.
Can all 3 of these angles add up to 180 degrees and be supplementary?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So make sure you remember and know that. Sliding down. The reason we want to know about complementary and supplementary angles is to help us figure out missing angle measurements. So if you look at number 3, I gave you that angle ABD was what?
90.
It was 90 degrees. What does this M mean?
Measure.
Okay, and if I told you that this part of the angle ABD is 47 degrees, could you calculate what X is?
Yes.
And we just did 90 minus 47, right?
Yes.
We did this entire angle, which is 90 minus what we know, 47, and we ended up with 43 degrees. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. On this guy, all I did was give you this angle measurement right here, right?
Yes.
And then I also told you it was a right angle up here. Yes, no?
Yes.
So how did you calculate, why is this 35 degrees?
Vertical.
Because why?
It's vertical.
They're vertical, right? So that's 35 degrees because it's vertical. Now you know this is a right angle, right? So then why is this 55? Somebody want to tell me why is that 55? Ashton?
90 degrees minus 35 degrees.
Yeah, if you know that this whole thing right here is 90, you just subtract the 35 that you know and you end up with 55. So if you know this one's 55, this one also must be what?
55.
Because of why?
Vertical.
Vertical angles. So the only 2 angles that are left would be our 2 90s, right? Okay, and if you look at our 90s, okay, I'm going to try to use a different color here. Is this a straight line right here that I'm highlighting in blue?
Yes.
Okay, so if we know this is 55 and this is 35, this has to add up to what, or help it add up to?
90.
No, it has to help add up to
180.
180, because a straight line measures what?
180.
That's why that's 90, right?
Yes.
And then if this one's 90, what is this one?
90.
Because of what?
Vertical.
Lots of stuff there, right? So I gave you 1 angle and a right angle measurement. You could figure out the rest. Then we slid on down to number 5, and you were given simply a right angle. Yes, no?
Yes.
I told you this is 5x, and this is 40. And then we said, let's make an organized table. Yes, no?
Yes.
What does the x represent here?
Yes.
That's our guess, right? What does this 40 represent?
Angle.
It represents this angle right here, right? What does this 5x represent?
Angle.
The second angle, right? And then the last column is the total for whatever we're adding, or for whatever we're guessing with, right?
Yes.
So if I guess 6 for x, well, there is no x here, so I just drop the 40 down, right?
Yes.
But if I guess a 6 for 5x, what's 6 times 5?
30.
And then we add them together, what's 40 plus 30?
70.
Is that enough?
No.
What's it have to equal?
90.
I did the same thing with 8, I got 80. I did the same thing with 10, and I ended up with my final answer. So x was equal to 10. Yes, no?
Yes.
This one got a little trickier. We had how many angles here?
2.
The first angle is called?
4x plus 40.
Okay, I need more people. I need louder. 4x plus 40. What's the second angle called?
3x.
3x. What's this column again?
X.
It's my
Yes.
guess column. So we guessed 10. We plugged in 10 for x. We got 80. We plugged in 10 for x. We got 30. What's 80 plus 30?
110.
Too big or too small?
Too small.
So then we continued guessing until we got the right answer, right?
Yes.
And then this one, number 7, how many angles do I have to make up the right angle?
3.
3. So we have an angle that's called 4x. We have an angle called x. And we have an angle called 5x minus 10. Yes, no?
Yes.
And what's this column again?
Total. Yes.
It's the guess column, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Question.